guys, it's me, Mercy. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, and welcome back if you've been here before. So before we jump into things, why don't you guys take a quick second to hit that little subscribe button. Alright, so I'm sure you guys have noticed that so far I've been doing different makeup routines. Like my first video was my no makeup look. My second was how I do my brows. So I figured for today's video I'd show you guys one of the ways that I do a full face. And this differs from my other full face routine because I'll be doing a more natural eye look with it, which does cause a few steps to be switched around. And once again, I'll be doing my brows off camera. But if you do want to see how that's done, that video link will be down below. So sit tight and I'll be right back. So I'll be starting off with my foundation, and I actually use two of those. Maybelline Fit Me in shade 360 and Revlon Colorstay in shade 450. And of course, a damp beauty blender as always. You always have to make sure to work your foundation underneath your neck and a little bit onto your neck as well. Next, I'll be highlighting with my LA Girl concealer. This is shade Toffee. And sometimes I do go without this, but the purpose of this video is to show you guys my full routine. And now I just blend away. And next is the most important step for us oily skin girls, which is to bake to set everything in so it doesn't move throughout the day. And for that, I use this Sacha buttercup setting powder. And with this, I don't really use, or try not to use too much. I really just like use enough to like press into my face, but not a lot to where it makes it like cakey. But I do focus around my nose and my smile lines because that is where I get oily the most. So while that's working its magic, I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow, and I'll be using the Little Black Beauty book by e.l.f. This is the day edition. And I'm just gonna use one of these like metallic brown shades. Next is my eyeliner. You guys already know my two mascaras secret, and I'll be using Wet n Wild Max Volume and Bare Minerals / Domination. I'm gonna leave my lower lashes alone for now and go back to them after I finish dusting everything off. But yeah, so back to my face, and I'm gonna contour with my Aesthetica contour palette. And for my actual contour, I like mixing the two darkest shades together. For its contour underneath your chin and jawbone. And when I contour my forehead, I make sure to go into my hairline so that the contour is like seamless. And for my highlight, I like mixing my foundation shade and the second lightest shade together. Next is my nose contour, and I like using this middle shade right here. It's lighter than the darkest shade, and of course it's darker than my foundation shade, so like it makes the contour still like visible but not too bold. I'll just blend everything out with my brush. So next is my blush, and I use this blush right here. Before I forget, my lower lashes with my Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Angel. So next, as you guys know, is my favorite part of my makeup routine, and that is my highlighter. And for that, I'll be using Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade Crown of My Canopy. And guys, before I do this, I just have to say Wet n Wild knew what they were doing with this whole Mega Glow collection. Like, this is my favorite highlighter that I own. Right. Okay. So for my inner eye corner, I like using this silvery shade in my e.l.f. Daybook shade right there. And finally is my setting spray. So yesterday I actually put my I think it was Wet n Wild matte setting spray in here because the nozzle kept getting stuck and it just wasn't working, so yeah. Finally is my gloss, and I will be using ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Sookie. So that is all for today, and guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I truly hope that you guys enjoyed seeing one of the ways that I do my face. And as usual, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And you guys know that your comments are my favorite things to receive. I really do love getting that feedback from you guys, and I do want to try to cater to what my subscribers want, and the only way I can do that is with those comments down below. So don't forget to do those 4 things, and I'll see you guys soon.